And now we're starting to look at building the trenches. The L-shaped pipe sample right there is to help us keep in 90-degree angles, because if you don't keep in 90-degree angles, then it's just hard to fit the PVC and the connections together. And we're stopping right about that section because this particular client wants to have stepping stones coming out of their driveway so they can get out of their car and be able to step onto stepping stones instead of into mulch. So the pipe is going to end a little bit shorter, about 3 feet shorter. And let's just take a look at the rest of this particular job. That pipe right here that's sticking out is actually from the laundry. So we're using the laundry water on this side of the house, and on the other side of the house we're using the shower water. This project's progressing pretty good. We have all the pipes in, I believe. We've got a channel there, got a channel there. See that we put one in there and we have water in it just to make sure it's level. That's the key with Aquifer pipe, is to make sure it's level. Then on this side, one pipe down in here that breaks off into a T and goes in each direction. And then you can see we have another one right there. The spacing on this is 8 feet and 4 feet from the sidewalk. It's just because plants grow out in a big wide area, and then the caterpillar action is about 4 feet on center. Hello everyone, Joseph Gallegos here, Greywater Green. This is an update in the video. We're going to show you how it's turned out, and then we'll do some before pictures of what we're talking about. So right here, you can see that planter is that one pipe on our installation video, and then other pipe, that other pot is right there, and it comes out here, and this is where we show that L that comes across here. So we have one more pipe that runs parallel with the driveway, and there's only 2 pipes that feed this whole landscape. So this whole landscape is only 2 aquifer pipes buried 12 inches below the surface, and they're creating a moisture plume that spreads out 4 feet on each side of the pipe, giving you a nice full 8 feet of coverage. So that's this coverage. There's this coverage right here, kind of like this. And then we have the one that goes along the driveway like this. So that's this side. This side is all irrigated by the shower water. You can see the filter tank behind that little wall right there. We'll walk over to it so you get an idea. This is the filter. 3-way valve. We also have one pipe that comes underneath here and covers this driveway right here. We actually have to update it a little bit because we're getting way too much of this nut grass, which it's growing so well, you almost want to just mow it and have a lawn of nut grass. But I know some people are going to get upset with that idea, so it's not going to happen. We're going to put something nice and green in here with some flowers. So now we're going to look at the other side of the house. The other side of the house is going to have very similar layout of the pipes, but it's being fed by the laundry water, where this side is all fed by the shower water, the other side is being fed by the laundry water. What's really cool about this house is actually the owner told me that he's been approached by a number of people who want to shoot commercials in front of it now. So the California daisies and everything else, that's great. So on this side, we have the pipe that runs equal to that wall right there and runs through here and creates a nice moisture plume. And we have another one right about here. It creates a nice moisture plume. And then you can see the pipe that's feeding it from the laundry room that's coming through here. And that goes underneath the house all the way to the laundry area And outside the laundry area, we actually have the distribution filter tank. So all the water comes from the laundry outside into the distribution filter tank, then goes back underneath the house and through here and comes out at this location. It drops down. There's a valve box right here. Can't see it, but I don't want to dig it up. And if we turn that valve, what happens is that it closes off water to this area, and because of the height of the filter box, it pushes water up into this planter. So, and we only do that once a month for this planter because it's mostly drought tolerant. These are called Santa Barbara daisies, a beautiful little flower, and everything looks great. Now remember, this is 100% Greywater irrigated landscape. It's not a reduction of water. Most of the time when you do a lawn to garden type of transition, it's a reduction of drinking water and not a complete replacement. This is a complete replacement. So no matter how severe the drought gets, as long as you're taking a shower and washing some clothes, this landscape is always going to be irrigated with that second use of water. If you have a landscaper that you really like and you want to get this type of landscape put into it, or this type of Greywater, have them reach out to us and we're more than willing to show them how to do it. Always think green.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.